Hi everyone, I'm already having a OLED burn on my Galaxy S10, as you can see right here. It's really annoying a little bit. It's on the top, there's a line goes by, like you can kind of see it like right here, and then there's one more right here. I don't know if the camera is gonna capture because it's really like a light LCD burn. So I found at the Play Store, it's called OLED burn-in, the app. This one, I already installed it and I already played with it. It got a little bit better from what I noticed, so you'll have to try this stuff out. Let me know if it works for you or not. So it always works different for everybody, because it's so you can try it out. It's like it'll be for like 12 hours. It's just gonna be going non-stop. Let me know in comments below if it works for you or not. It did for me just a little bit, not that much. Maybe I'll have to try it one more time. You can clearly see there's LCD burn like on top, because it's like completely like different colors, and there's one right here in the middle. So thanks for watching. Try this out, and if it works, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.